Mathematics NDC beba power. Memenka ho meme nia yokunu. Don atamesti.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that be ano the meeting the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bimra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Momi enko mresi here.
Mathematics NDC beba power. Memenka ho meme nia yokunu. Don atamesti o fanko. Ye stop ballot papers aye de beko. Ye kumi nia ba ko. Meme moto ye shino. But when we are talking politics, umuka about NPP ni say. Those three guys, your NPP, polling officers, your NPP, delegate, police station delegates. And they are known to be NPP guys. Even the last NPP, Congress now, flag bearer, they were here. Yes. So that is why he's telling them that, government in Qatar, that means, politics, NDC for the same Kumomo. What you say? I want to clarify this one clean. But when your NDC woman push for your MPP woman push for me. Yes. But the NDC be banner and be and say ye betty boys no more MPP for. Have you ever heard they say ya chukusati ni waboku diabaha? Yes. Ya chi umu ni tuo. Umu kum police for ye chi umu. Umu shutu soldiers ye chi umu. Ni ajina bolga aja umu no mako. Just no ye beli ye nipa baako. Ye na IGP kura ko boku. Kusati for shutu no. Media they capture and also mama show or promise mu at the bebre share national security atade and am more upper east.
Meanwhile, there is no truth to what he is saying. There are documents on one casadi the signature Asha all stating as far back as 2022 and year said Afari Hospital is 90% complete. So if you people one person abo can besa anyegu maga imua, ignore him. For the sake of NPP, ignore Honorable Ken and his utterances. Umpe, also one kind of base, what I saw NPP. Ignore him. Ignore Honorable Ken. When he make utterances, me say, Fanessa woman me and our papa winning the TV, whether monopause our pekasa. Ignore him. Men so. The moment a man so son and some sono and some baby. But if you people keep on reposting the videos, you keep on reacting to the videos, or be a want ye bete. Messi no power me ba my idea back one moon notice here. And so idea back one say, ma addressing this issue without playing Honorable Ken's voice.
Kesia. Made in Dubone bag, kesia. Anna mame no. Edify immigration, edify port, edify all the checks, export and the copium Australia, and Yacheno. And would your Australian authorities now almost the street value of that drug in Numoneno in excess of $300 million. $300 million, and any Nubonia, NDC buying a boasa UK mameno, and more sporty a free Ghana. Edicopium, UK. Now you say. Why a war NDC a benny mom or yes, and she say, and making sure say my men can have access to your import. Now watching sa bags I can see ye in nobody a womb at the free Ghana. I export it at the Australia. Why na wo NDC abani mu a sika anka ebepiem e this illicit drug trade no nka obenya so mfaso. Who made this possible? Sa na we nyina. We will get to that point. We will get to that point. We will call them out. Sana last year 2025 NDC abani omunya azumi office mysterious plane be air ambulance be ebesi Ghana a chin cocaine e de call Grand Canaria. Ye kan ho asem omokote Reverend Team Fojo a ono ne be expose NDC aben sa asem no NDC aben SPP no under carpet, but this time no, it's not going to happen. Yantina ho ema mumma Ghana bedane cost of illicit drug trading baby ye export inuboni baby inuboni efri eko ewiase nyina da no Interior Minister Muntaka Ebe can say voter region has become the hub for weed. Obonsam Tower voter region ye dua pa ye export ko Nigeria any other African countries. Ghana yaji dimboni in just less than 2 years NDC for Azumi office. Omu yo my Ghana sika omu bogana for krono. Big push omu de bogana for krono ye good omu bogana for krono. Petroleum downstream honum omu bogana for krono. Afi more sign delay in drugs. More sign any drug lords. Omo ye cartel, they have criminal syndicator, trading in illicit drugs, money akuna collaborate, use Ghana as coast, as a place exporting illicit drugs across the country. We will not sit down for these people to bring shame to Ghana because say ye greedy, from ye criminals, person tamuti. So this matter there, ye enjoy money slide that. And this way. They are a bunch of thieves, they are a bunch of criminals. Omo wa bema, omo ne ma me come with tipam ho. Omo de sai nuboni akesi, zamet akesi, bag akesi, every Ghana kopie mu Australia ne. We ye Ghana ni na wo Australia ye be show tutu. We will fish all of them out. And Mahama and Aban should come out and answer. And answer questions. The plan, my many fast one, ultimate BT all checkpoints. A plan, my many fast one, ultimate at this side, nobody, F0r Ghana, export Ghana, export free Ghana, and the copy more will be anti-me detecting. We will get to the bottom of this matter.
A sword, ebe say the one. Yay! When they come America, I will park so. I'll say, where di canyon or no di canyon or the first. But first, no, or say, mempe first, no. But me jam first, no, medino, na my baby di last. Na my baby shas ya for what be that? What it look like? Tuna yet to about editia. Honorable Kennedy Japan, I say, yeah, kakra wonimu. And into the casano. Because
you end down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you nim on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections, echo, and no, my Dr. Bomia, and then a rich Ghana for some bar, way anyway, and my mamma. Monsieur, Naki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So, in fact, on my bit, me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit, me could borrow or my be a leaders. KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA, borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say in Puyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones Yetimi component, go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say. We have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospitals and they go sound and no woman say. It is a Canadian saying a no man in Abaya. Ese ke scan kwa kayede wasa e botumi wo say o me say wo say NPP for yakonfo. Ne ma konfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo yakonfo. Akonfo ti ma facilitate am say o be fund free seniors mo so mo yakonfo. Ise enye Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo keke mo kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntu with the greatest of respect. O mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Marketing men no nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete. Na ze bibi ni na nkasa de se bi ye bibi ya nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bia invest square ye nkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open ko nkete. Is any one. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che Regr3t mani ma say all members come to boot one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E de Regr3t mani ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia. E na gafo so okay ne be to ba na ma boom mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi am
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for troye about council of state member voter region. Na me say films hey Remona Chapa ya hype ni say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Oko any letter now was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one. Which is never true.
Onya juma order. And Onya Juma or hot da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes, number one I post. Yeah, no catch you. We say oh, the boy.
Or sister, I'm not. Listen for the first time. Number one and quack baby aquadan and then number one. Yes. Not just say what's in Ukraine. Say state institution. We are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayaka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we ma supply good no over 75%. Omu koswa na se maintain mo ase ba wone nipa na oni business. Ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko. Se osusi se nipa na sisi no. Yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take omu statement. Ama o grant omu bo mo koi. Wako court. Yoko na court o. Uko court no. Court will really dey tiao. Say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court I really say the only unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the was by us say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite in our my no issue document say we're a fugitive. Johnny. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about
Nana, me see the member who know what they're very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NC for my